way to the Bird to Gird bike trail, driving along the old Seward Highway south of Anchorage. And the scenery down here is just incredibly beautiful. It's always a beautiful drive. 2-lane road, so it's kind of dangerous. Here I am holding a damn cell phone, but what the hell. So pretty. Had a pretty good storm yesterday. Whipped down a lot of the leaves, but down here they seem to be pretty well intact, so hopefully get some good fall scenes in here. And it's not raining, so that's really cool. Oh, better shut this thing down. Don't want to get caught with a damn cell phone in my hand. Yeah, this might be a while. They're squeezing in the last little bit of road construction here before the winter sets in for good. Here we go. Well, they're knocking down rocks. Loose rocks to keep from knocking cars off the road during the wintertime, as they have sometimes been known to do. Wow. What a cool job that would be. Cool. Bird to Gird Trail. Bird Point actually to Girdwood is what it actually means. Town of Girdwood. Spectacular scenery along the way. It parallels the road, but soon climbs to the point where I'm high above the highway sound and all that mess down below. Of course, you never get away from the airplane noise, but that's just the way it goes in Alaska. Super beautiful. Love my bike. Squeezing out one more ride for the year at least, hopefully. More. We'll see. Yeah, coming into Girdwood, and pretty close to the end of the trail here. Fabulous country scenery. Penguin Ridge towering above. That is one heck of a traverse for a day, or actually more than a day. All these dead snags are victims of the '64 quake, where the water or the land sank and the water from the sea, salt water, encroached on the root system and killed them, and actually petrified them almost, left them in place, preserved them by salt. Sure, I'm glad they have trails like this. It's totally deserted. I've only run into a couple walkers, no other bikers at all. They extended the trail and actually they're finishing it up, pavement. And I was almost run off the road by one of the construction crews who were driving their truck on the trail. They pulled over for me though. They're okay. Yeah, hopefully eventually they'll get this trail extended all the way into Anchorage and we'll be able to ride it from the house. That'd be awesome. But maybe a little bit too much to ask for. Well, so into the line. No, carry on. And into the bike trail anyway. One cool thing about the tunnels on this trail is that they don't smell like pee like the trails in town do. No homeless around here. It's darn pretty. Okay, so I'll head home. I got a good almost 15 miles in so far. Round trip. Just under 30. This is the part that I like. So beautiful. Oh, noise of civilization. I can't hear it because I got Mark Knopfler in my hearing aids. It makes a whole difference. Sure beautiful out here though. So worth it.